Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this session we are going to discuss about nutritional status. Okay, this is an important topic in our human geography UGC NET examination perspective. Okay, let's start it. First of all, what is nutritional status? Nutritional status is the condition of the body resulting from the consumption and utilization of nutrients. It reflects the balance between nutrient intake and the body's biological requirements. Okay, there are three types of nutritional status: undernutrition status, overnutrition status, and micronutrient deficiency. Undernutrition status means deficiency of essential nutrients, includes wasting, stunting, and underweight. Overnutrition means excess intake leading to obesity and diet-related non-communicable diseases. Micronutrient deficiency, hidden hunger, lack of vitamins, minerals despite adequate caloric intake. Okay, the double burden of malnutrition, coexistence of undernutrition and overnutrition in same country or same household. Okay, etiologically conditions of malnutrition. Okay, root causes and immediate determinants. Immediate causes: inadequate dietary intake, low caloric protein, micronutrient intake. Disease and infections, diarrhea, malaria, TB reduced absorption, poor infant young child feeding, early cessation of breastfeeding, poor dietary diversity, monocrop dependence, rice only diets. Okay, these are some immediate causes. Then there are some also underlying causes also, like household food insecurity, low income market access, land rights, inadequate care practices, maternal nutrition, child care quality, poor health services and environment, lack of sanitation, safe water, wash, agricultural and food system failures, low yield post-harvest losses. These are some causes of undernutrition or malnutrition. Etiological conditions for from UNICEF conceptual framework. Basic causes are political, economic, governance, ideological and cultural context, poverty, inequality and social norms. Underlying causes: food security, care practices, health services and environment. Immediate causes: inadequate dietary intake, plaque disease. Malnutrition outcome: stunting, wasting, underweight, micronutrient deficiency, overweight. Okay, this is the source of this framework. Classification of malnutrition: type, indicator and measure, WHO threshold point, key features. Okay, stunting, that is chronic, height for age, this is the threshold point. Long-term growth failure linked to early childhood deprivation. Wasting, weight for height, this is the threshold point. Rapid onset reflects current nutritional deficit, high mortality risks. Underweight, weight for age, this is the threshold point. Composite measure combines chronic and acute malnutrition. Overweight and obesity, BMI for age, and this is the threshold point. Increasing rapidly in urban India, risks of NCDs. Micronutrient deficiency, serum levels, this is the threshold point. Iron, iodine, A, vitamin A, zinc and hidden hunger. PEM, protein energy malnutrition. Wasihar and marasmus. Clinical diagnosis: severe from seen in famine affected and disaster zone areas. Okay, anthropometric indices and assessment methods. Anthropometric: height, weight, BMI, body mass index, MUAC, HZ, WHZ, HZ scores. Skin fold thickness, head and chest circumference. Biochemical: serum hemoglobin, serum retinol, urinary iodine consumption, serum ferritin, zinc and albumin. Clinical: this is the clinical: oedema, skin changes, severe wasting, beat spots, vitamin A deficiency, iodine deficiency. Dietary and epidemiological: 24 hours dietary recall, food frequency questionnaire, food balance sheets, FAO, national service, NFHS, NNMB. Okay, MUAC, mid upper arm circumference, NFHS, National Family Health Survey, NNMB, National Nutrition Monitoring Bureau. Okay, India's nutritional landscape: key statistics from NFHS 5 2019 and 1121 and Global Hunger Index 2023. Children stunted 35.5%, children wasted 19.3%, 32.1% children underweight, 57.0% women anemic, 67.1% children anemic. Well, India ranked 111 out of 125 nations on Global Hunger Index 2023, classified as serious zone. Okay, India is under serious zone. Now, spatial distribution patterns in India: high burden zone, state Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and moderate urban zone, states West Bengal, Assam, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Low burden zone, states Kerala, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Goa, Tamil Nadu, and emerging double burden, Delhi, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and etc. Okay, this is the source of this data. Now, spatial patterns: tribal, urban, rural, and gender dimensions. Urban versus rural divide. Rural India, higher stunting and wasting rates, poor waste infrastructure, lower dietary diversity, cereal dominated, seasonal food insecurity, weak PDS SS in remote areas. Tribal areas and gender. Okay, after that, before that, urban India, urban poor slum dwellers, high child undernutrition, middle upper class, rising obesity and NCDs. Food desert problem in peripheral areas, better health service but unequal access. In tribal areas and gender, tribal scheduled tribe areas, worst nutritional indicators in India, particularly Melghat MS, Kandhalmal, Odi, and Dang, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Gujarat. Forest food deficiency, market isolation, high child mortality linked to SAM. Gender dimension: girl often worse nourished than boys, maternal anemia, low birth weight cycle, son preference, gender-based food allocation, adolescent girls, key window of intervention. Okay, this is rural versus urban divide and tribal areas and gender spatial patterns. Okay, seasonal distribution patterns of malnutrition: pre-monsoon, peak food insecurity, grain reserves depleted, hunger season in tribal rain-fed areas, acute malnutrition spikes. Monsoon, June to September, flooding disrupts food access, waterborne diseases surge, diarrhea and cholera, increases wasting, loss of livelihood. Post-monsoon, October, November, Kharif harvest, improvement in food availability, nutritional recovery phase, ICDS and midday meal bake-in session. Winter, December, February, generally best nutritional season, rabi crops supplemented, however, cold stage increases energy needs in poor households. The lean season, pre-monsoon, is the critical window for acute malnutrition intervention in India's agrarian households. With global spatial distribution of malnutrition: sub-Saharan Africa, critical zone, highest stunting rates globally, 38% children, famines in Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, complex emergency situations, conflict-driven hunger, GSI scores alarming for DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, SAD and CAR, subsistence farming and drought, chronic food insecurity. South Asia, serious status also. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, high stunting. India, 35.5% stunted children, according NFHS 5. Bangladesh success story: stunting reduced from 58.8% to 58% to 31%. Pakistan, 40% stunting, low female employment, SAARC countries share poverty, gender, nutrition nexus. Eastern Southeast Asia, Western Pacific, moderate status. China, near elimination of stunting, 4.8%. Vietnam, Thailand, significant improvements. Indonesia, PNG, moderate stunting persists. Rising obesity and NCD burden in urban centers. Rise dependency rates, micronutrient deficiencies. Okay, this is our sources of this data. India's policies and program response: ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services, 1975, world's largest program, Anganwadi centers, supplementary nutrition, immunization, preschool education, health checkups for 0 to 6 years children and pregnant women. Midday Meal Scheme, 1995-2001 SC, hot cooked meal in government school, improves enrollment and retention, addresses child hunger, 12 crore plus children covered. PDS, Public Distribution System, subsidies good food grains through ration cards, and FSA 2013 entitles 70% rural and 50% urban population to 5 kg gain per month, rupees 1 to 3 per kg. Posan Abhijan NNM 2018 National Nutrition Mission target reduce stunting, wasting, underweight by 2% per year. Posan Tracker digital monitoring, Jan Andolon. PM Posan 2021 successor to MDM, extended to pre-primary standard infrastructure, convergence with ICDS nutrition gardens in schools. Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandhana Yojana, maternity benefit program, RS 5,000 for first birth incentive, incentivize institutional delivery and improve maternal nutrition. Okay, there are some UGC NET exam concept and important terms. Food security, 4 pillars: availability, access, utilization, and stability, according FAO definition. Hidden hunger, that means micronutrient deficiency without visible starvation, affects 2 billion globally. Wasting versus stunting. Wasting means acute and stunting means chronic. SAM and MAM, severe, moderate, acute malnutrition. Okay, this is the equation, this is the formula. Nutritional transition, shift from traditional diet to energy dense processed food with urbanization. Triple burden, undernutrition, overnutrition, and micronutrient deficiency in same population, in same time. NFHS, National Family Health Survey, prime data source for India's nutrition status. GSI indicators: undernourishment, child wasting, child stunting, and child mortality. Okay, nutritional status at a glance. Nutritional status: etiology, immediate and underlying basic. Spatial patterns: north, central, high, south, low burden. Classification: stunting, wasting, underweight, and ACEs. Seasonal patterns: lean, pre-monsoon, peak, post-harvest. India data: NFHS 5, GSI 2013, NFHS 5, GSI 2013. Programs: ICDS, MDM, PDS, Posan, Abhiyan. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.